Hola Carlos, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Bueno, para proyectos pequeños, eh, todo proyecto cuando comienza, creo que es un proyecto pequeño, ¿no? La pregunta esta es, ¿tú crees que ese proyecto vaya a crecer? ¿Crees que ese proyecto se vaya a expandir? Entonces de allí es que podemos evaluar la arquitectura con la que podemos crecer, con la que podemos comenzar el proyecto y inclusive el tipo de proyecto que se puede comenzar. Eh, por ejemplo, tú eh, puedes desarrollar aplicativos en Netcore MVC. Eso te permite desarrollar a una velocidad impresionante, ¿sí? Eh, pero el proyecto MVC, si lo estructuras desde el principio, por capas, como si fuera una tendencia hacia arquitectura limpia, pero puede ser por capas, una arquitectura layer, te podría permitir a futuro expandir, permitir crecer ese software. Bien, porque aunque comienzas como un MVC, tú después lo puedes volver API sin ningún problema. ¿Sí? ¿Sí? Él puede crecer. Y si ya le aplicaste una arquitectura por capas, ya llevarlo a implementarlo como una arquitectura limpia es supremamente fácil. Entonces todo depende de cómo lo estructures. Por ejemplo, este es un proyecto que estoy armando ahorita eh, y es un proyecto que es pequeño, pero la idea es que este proyecto, este software vaya a crecer, se permita expandir, permita crecer con el tiempo. Entonces, de una vez lo estoy creando con una arquitectura limpia. De una vez lo estoy creando con front y back. O sea, en el back estoy creando en Netcore y en el front estoy trabajando con Blazor. Pero, eh, como es un desarrollo Netcore Blazor, también nos permite desarrollar muy rápido porque todo está dentro de la misma, o sea, dentro del mismo Microsoft, ¿sí? Entonces, nos permite trabajar supremamente rápido porque el modelo lo puedes compartir tanto tú para el backend como para el front. Entonces, eh, eh, creo que depende de lo que vayas a utilizar. Hoy en día, pues la pelea es qué front vas a utilizar. Si es un React, si es un Blazor, si es... eh, y si vas a utilizar Blazor, si utilizas un Blazor Server. Entonces, todo depende de los proyectos. Casi nunca me gusta utilizar Blazor Server porque consume mucho recurso y es muy costoso. Porque Blazor Server tiene que establecer un sign por cada sesión, por cada usuario que esté conectado, para poder estar pendiente de cualquier cambio que se haga en el front. Entonces, ¿eso qué conlleva? Más recursos, más gasto en el hosting, hay que pagar más en Azure porque pues hay que meterle más procesador, más memoria, para que pues por cada usuario se pueda reservar una parte del recurso de la máquina. Em, si utilizamos Blazor Assembly es como si estuviéramos utilizando React o estuviésemos utilizando Angular. Bien, pero ¿con qué ventaja? Que hoy en día, hace 4 años, Angular, Blazor Assembly era un proyecto, era una cosa como que una idea que a ver si la pegaban. Pero resulta que con el pasar del tiempo, a la fecha de hoy, Blazor es supremamente potente, tiene un ecosistema bastante amplio ya, ya nos permite utilizar como LeafMap, por ejemplo, que es el sistema para mapas, ¿sí? Y geoposiciones. Entonces, nos permite utilizar JavaScript a discreción. Podemos interactuar con todos los recursos del navegador sin ningún tipo de problema. Podemos llamar archivos JavaScript para que o nos permitan abrir los archivos, nos permita abrir la cámara, micrófonos, ¿ok? Interactuar full. por lo menos desarrollé un web assembly, un Blazor assembly que corre en una tablet Android utilizando Mozilla e interactúa perfecto. Entonces, hoy en día tenemos full capacidad. Entonces, si estás comenzando el proyecto, yo creo que esa es la pregunta. Mm, ¿Va a crecer? ¿Tú crees que vaya a crecer? ¿Sí? Yo desarrollé hace poco, bueno, hace 2 años, un sistema en .NET Core en VC. Y de una vez le dejé creada la estructura con Web API para hacer las validaciones con, con JSON Web Token, toda esa parte ya armada. Y hoy en día ya ese software lo pasaron, lo separaron a back y front. Bien, entonces fíjate que pues puedes comenzar. Yo creo que los desarrollos dependen más que todo como de la velocidad del cliente. Y pues la mayoría de los clientes necesitan un software para ya, que te permita trabajar ya, que te permita, em, no sé, comenzar a ver resultados. Entonces, a mí me gusta porque ofrecerles eso a los clientes y decirles, no, pues vamos a ir ofreciendo esto, a futuro podemos hacer, no sé, como lo tienes, como uno lo plantea acá, es porque yo de una vez me visualizo y digo, a futuro quiero poderle hacer una app, ¿bien? Quiero poderle hacer un Windows Form, o quiero hacerle de repente a futuro un Windows Presentation Foundation. Entonces te visualizas y dices, bueno, este software puede comenzar algo como muy pequeño, pero a futuro podemos ofrecer muchos más servicios, ¿ok? Entonces, en lo personal, arranco siempre los proyectos, sin importar si se queda pequeño o va a crecer en el futuro, yo ahora los arranco en arquitectura limpia, de una vez. De una vez los arranco en arquitectura limpia, lo creo lo más modular posible, de manera que pueda hacer cambios a futuro, como en los servicios de correo electrónico, en los servicios de... Sí, o sea, que no necesite yo estar modificando mi código principal para poder hacer una modificación, por ejemplo, en el sistema de correo. Eh, entonces, no sé, si de repente pues te aclaré la duda, cualquier cosa, pues eh, pregunta lo que necesites.
What the
Hey, hello, MedTech. How are you doing? Yeah, sure. I am using identity, EF identity. In this, for that, we can see all these tables by default. You know, with the Cedar, I fill all the my principal user over here. Let's go to show you. Here it is. You see. This is my principal user, and I feel they're using the Cedar. Let me show you here. You see here with this class, I feel the principal data what I'm going to use in the system. My principal user, the all the roles where I'm going to use through all the solution. Um, yeah, that's it. And it's working. Let's go. I wanted to see the series because I have this code. It's a API, a public API, where I use to fill all the country, states, and the cities. Where I'm going to use it by default. In this case, I just select one country because I am, you know, I am uh, debugging. Let's go to see. Let's go to see the cities. Yeah. Select. Yeah. Everything is working. You see, and we can try it with using the Swagger. Let's go over here. Series. Oh, but I don't remember if I put in the authorizes. Let me see. Controllers, cities, countries. Yeah, I already put in the authorize. Let's go to stop the project. just for a moment. Um, I comment. Let's go to comment this line, and now let's go to play again the project. Just because I wanted to test if I can console the countries uh, using the Swagger. Da, 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 da. Okay, everything is running. Here, Swagger. Perfect. Let's go to countries. I want to countries. This country. Let's go to check it out. Try out. Execute. Yeah. You see. The country is the ID one. Let's go to. No, that's it. It's working. We can console the database from here, from the Swagger. And if you can see, look at this. I can control the version, different version of the controllers. It's already working that. Oh, scalar. And that's what for? To control users, like identity. Oh, really? Okay, I'm going to try it. Yeah, sure. Because in this moment, working with Swagger, have a little problem because I am working with .NET with Net 10, the version 10, and now I have to download the version of the API in the Nuggets. Look at this. Let me show you. Oh, manager. Let me stop the project. Oh my God. Yeah. Similar to Postman. Oh, that's really cool. Yeah, I really going to try it. Yeah, because working in this moment with Swagger is a headache, man. Um, Look at this. I had to download the version of the AP Nugget. Let me show you. To can work with Swagger and can handle the version uh, of the controller. Um, that's where I don't like it. Look at this. The Open API. I had to download the version, and the last version that I suppose is a 10.05, right? But I had to download it to the night 12 to can control the version of the Swagger. And at the same time, I had to install the Swagger buckle, but either can use the last version. I had to use the 906, and that was a problem. Yeah. Yeah, I gonna to taste it, bro. Yeah. Thanks a lot, man. Yeah, in It is the native in the Net 9 and Net 10. Um, Net Core improve like a native Swagger. For that, I suppose you don't need it anymore install swashbuckle SP.NET Core for can implement Swagger, but and works already pretty. But the problem is when you're trying to control Swagger with different version. That's the problem. Uh, but I'm going to try that Scholar, bro. Thanks a lot, man. Scholar. Let me take a note because don't forget it in the Scholar. Yeah, cool. Well, I need to let's go to finish. I need to finish the to implement the front. Let's go to uncomment this line. Let me see, because I am sure, but I missed something in my first project here. I think it's going to be shared. Share. Yeah. I create in my last project. I create all like default components. Let's go to see this. Okay, look at this. I use share button form, button table row. Let's go and produce this. Share loading, share, and the utilities. Yeah, it's good to see. It's good to paste this one. Okay, I use share button. Perfect. This one. Okay. Still localizer. And using. It's good to go. Right here. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Let's go to this one. Well, not yet, man. Not yet. In this moment, I am not using caching yet because I don't need it in this moment. You know, what are you using for caching? Redux, or you try to implement caching locally, for example, out memory cache, something like that, or you are using Redux, because Redux is for mm, project more, bigger, and in Azure, and now we can use yeah. I suppose, and you're using Azure Redux. It's the same Redux, but you can use it through Azure, and you control everything directly with Azure. Yeah, that is cool because if you have a lot sessions, or maybe yeah, I don't know, some kind of data you can put in there to can access more faster. Yeah, it's cool. But try to use in Azure Redux. It's the same. Azure use directly Redux, but we don't need to create the access directly to Redix. We're doing through Azure, and you can control all the environment inside the Azure without go out to Redix. Okay, let's go to see this one right here. Ta, 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 ta. Okay, almost there. Generate select wrapper item. The items. Ta, 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 deluxe. Uh, yeah, deluxe. Yeah, that's true. But I don't have a subscription for Azure and for to like. I wanted to learn more about Azure to like Blobs, Redix, message broker. Well, I use in the past my ASP.NET to deploy a solution with .NET, for example, MVC or MVC with Blazor. I use my ASP.NET because I thought was were more cheaper, but but I learned to work with Azure, and we can start a little solution just with 17 $17 per month. Um, and with only that $17, you reach a lot resource. For example, you can use the container. Inside the container, you can use the blobs, and the blobs you can use it private or public. Um, Hello, hello. Yeah, right. I had to just change my headphones. Oh, okay. You use Redis directly and use Blob from Minio. Oh, that sounds cool. Well, I'm trying to use in this moment everything directly to Azure. Um, it's easy to control. You have nuggets, and that allow you to control the blobs more easily. Um, well, you know, I am totally pro Microsoft. Okay, let me. Oh my God, these two are low battery. I am so really bad with the headphone. Okay, let's go to try again the project. Let's go to see if now it's working all the buttons and the CSS. Let's go to see. Yeah, sure. And do you need a tour? Do you need a tour? Let me know, bro. I recently I create a bot to create communication between this .NET Core solution with the Microsoft Teams. Was really awesome. And that don't have don't have any charge extra charge just with the same $17. I use it that Azure bot was really cool. I can send all the users. I can send them a message, and I can create an interaction between the user and the application. For example, if the user send a hint or a love, the heart, I can receive that and send it to the other user. That's cool. Okay, let's see. Let's go to see what is it. Okay. Oh, what happened? What's going on? Let's go to see what is not working. My okay. This is. Oh, I know what is going on. Yeah, I have to stop the project. I come in over here because I put in the principal CSS. I put in some styles where affect all the solution. I thought, well, that's the problem. Let's go to see up. Yeah, do you see? Okay, that's all of this is my own CSS. Okay, let's go to see. Okay, black. Yeah. Okay, so spinner. Okay, perfect. And now let's go to. Okay, come on. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Um, here. Okay. Okay, let's go to run again. We're almost there. Let's go to see. Yeah. Okay. We already have the buttons. Oh, okay. Okay. I forget to this part. I already installed the phone Asm, but I think what I done right here. Yeah. You see? Let's go to printer. Okay. Bootstrap. Yeah. Um, let me check something. Right. Well, that is a good question. Mm, well, I usually work with .NET Core MVC. Um, with that kind of project, you can run, you can work so really fast. You can deploy a little solution in a short time. Um, and now um, I am working with .NET Core to the back, and Blazor to the front, Blazor assembly to the front. I think I think you can, with this kind of solution you can run uh, really faster because the way how Microsoft allow you to integrate the solution between the class library through the entire solution. You know, for example, we have the backend and we have the front, but I create just one model, and inside that model, I created the attribute, what is going to be the same time the validation uh, to the front. And in just one point, you can control everything. What do you want? And at the same time, if I wanted to create a solution in a multi-language, uh, everything is controller in just in one point. That allow you to create a solution in a short time. For example, I started this project from scratch, and I have a totally of 4 hours, I think so. And look at this, how is the project in this moment? You see, and I think if you are trying to create a solution um, that that have to show results in a short time, and you have a client where I pushing you to, hey, I need a solution right now. I think what this is the best way, .NET Core, Way API, and Blazor assembly. Because when you're going to work with, for example, this is uh, this is React, right? Um, I need to create again the validation inside the project in React. Yeah, yeah, that is true. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, because for example, I create you know for example a condom, a condom, the buildings and departments. You see, it's three levels. For me, where I am the developer, I say, what the hell, let's cut it this way. I create, you're going to an index view, you can see all the condoms, you know, and you details, and you're going to can create, then you can go to create the buildings. And when you create the building, you details, and you can go to create all the apartments. Yeah, it's doesn't attractive, but yeah, do you have to spend time to create something more attractive? Yeah, yeah, yeah. That it takes you a lot of time and creativity. How do you say? Uh, page login. Yeah, the login here. Okay, let's go to work with this. Okay. This is the login page. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, what kind of music do you prefer when you're working in coding? Huh? Um, it's a shame where with all the stuff that about the copyright is a headache because it's a shame. I can share uh, with a coding live the music what I really like. For example, I use metallic and uh, heavy metal. I really like the heavy metal, but I can share it because all the copyright and putting me down the video. That's it's a shame. What kind of music do you prefer? Uh, hey, look at this. Now everything is working. You see, I have my logo, all the icons. Cool. This is doesn't working. Yeah, it's working. Cool. Nice. Okay, perfect. Let's go to see if now it's working. Albert. No, it's not working. 70. Let's go to see. Yeah. Mm, 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 mm. 22. Siete, 5. Oh, okay. Uh, or do you prefer the music more soft, more, let's say that, yeah, calm? No, if I hear music like classic or something like that, or I don't know, calm music, no, I go to sleep. Do you know? I prefer more electronic or dance, something really heavy. Oh, yeah, I really like the K-pop. Yeah, for the Baby Monster, that kind of music is so really, electric, and that's allow me to consent more in the code. Yeah, everything depends. Look at this! Look at this! Look at this music. I uploaded yesterday. Um, you could just allow me one music, and the other give me copyright and restricted. But let me show you this. What is it? Okay, okay. Look at this. Yeah, look at it. Look at this. This is the kind of music what I prefer when I coding. Yeah. Hola Carlos, ¿qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Eh, ¿En qué parte? Lo que pasa es que trabajo con una pantalla white para poder tener los dos códigos en simultáneo y poder hacer copy. Entonces, pues, por eso es que es difícil a veces, ¿ves? O sea, me tocaría hacer como así. No sé si te funciona. Yeah, that is the kind of music where I prefer. That's music, or sometimes I bring K-pop. I can, in this moment I can play one K-pop music where I really like, because if I play it, YouTube going to how say that bandit my my video. Pero Carlos, me dices en qué parte y yo trato de ver si te puedo ayudar. Listo. Okay. Um, let's go continue because I forget the part of where I was using. Okay, okay. I was working in in the account, yeah, in the account part. Um, okay, delete users. Oh, this part I don't gonna need it. I don't need it right now because I'm not working in this moment with this. So let's go to see. Okay. Bueno, ¿por qué, ¿por qué .NET y no Java? Bueno, sí, sí les hablo un poco a lo de React, pero hoy en día, por ejemplo, cuando estamos hablando de Blazor Assembly ya es altamente competitivo en la parte de los front. Nos deja utilizar JavaScript sin ningún tipo de problema. Mm, lo que estaba hablando hace rato, por ejemplo, con MedTech, estábamos hablando de que, por ejemplo, em, cómo nos permite desarrollar software mucho más rápido, todo lo que es tecnología.net, porque las integraciones son mejores, ¿sí? Por ejemplo, tenemos los modelos y resulta que en el modelo nosotros podemos configurar todo, desde el manejo de múltiples lenguajes, atributos que pueden ser validaciones en esto en sí o sea, atributos que hacen las funcionalidades al mismo tiempo de validaciones. ah, Al mismo tiempo, cuando estoy seteando esos modelos en la base de datos, me toman, me toman valores o condiciones para setearlos dentro de la base de datos. Por ejemplo, cuando yo le digo que es un max lane de 50, seteo yo a la base de datos con una migration, update database. Entonces, ya la base de datos entiende que el máximo son 50. Cuando estoy haciendo, por ejemplo, en Blazor, estoy trabajando ya con el modelo, él ya interpreta que el máximo de largo son 50. Entonces, las condiciones dentro del Blazor ya es esa misma. Entonces, eh, por eso creo que pues, los últimos proyectos los he estado trabajando full en, en Blazor Assembly. Por eso es que no Java. Pero, o sea, pues, pero aclaro, utilizas Blazor Assembly, pero puedes utilizar todo el JavaScript que tú quieras. Todo. Por ejemplo, vamos a ver aquí, tenemos esta, mira, aquí tengo todas estas librerías, por lo menos tengo, por ejemplo, cómo realizar las descargas de archivos. Por ejemplo, aquí descargo archivos que los bajo de Azure y se los mando al usuario. Tengo el manejador de tiempos, y entonces aquí estoy utilizando JavaScript para saber si la persona si hizo un movimiento de teclado, si hizo un movimiento del mouse, si presionó alguna tecla, ¿sí? Entonces, para yo saber la inactividad de la sesión. Por ejemplo, tenemos que este me permite abrir las cámaras. Y si estás utilizando un navegador de una tablet, él por defecto va a tomar la cámara trasera de la tablet. Entonces, eh, creo que por eso ya estoy más como que en dirección a utilizar Blazor Assembly, ¿no? Es más, en Europa la tendencia hay mucha tendencia en migrar aplicaciones que estaban en React o en Angular, las están comenzando a migrar a Blazor Assembly. Eh, entonces, creo que vamos por ahí. Aquí la tendencia todavía es mayor y bueno, que también depende del tipo de proyecto, ¿no? O sea, mm, creo que también eso depende del tipo de proyecto que estés manejando. Blazor me parece que es súper chévere cuando estás trabajando tipo SaaS, ¿sí? Aplicaciones corporativas, cosas que necesitas realmente sea, que una vez que tú lo desarrolles y que si eso se desarrolló bien, hermano, eso, olvídese, a usted no lo vuelven a llamar para nada. En cambio, las aplicaciones en React de los compañeros que yo conozco, son muchos, cada rato, inclusive tienen que trabajar como si fueran médicos. estar prestando, no, que si se rompió, entonces que hay que volverla, que hay que levantarla de nuevo, que se revienta, se totea, y así. Blazor, yeah, sure, Medtech. Blazor is taking huge roles in this moment because, for example, in Europe, uh, a lot of companies are trying to migrate from React and Angular to Blazor assembly because it's more stable. Right now have an ecosystem so really huge um, compared with the past 4 years, you know. In this moment, we have a lot nuggets where we can implement inside the Blazor assembly. For example, like a map lift uh, is that was a principal nugget to can create a map solution inside the software to React, but right now is totally working to Blazor assembly and works really great. And oh, and you can create a huge integration because you have everything totally a full complement, you know, because you can in one solution you can create multiple uh, projects, but all the project can share part of the code, and that reduce the error when you need to create something to the front or something to the backend. Uh, I think Blazor is going to take important role in the future. You're going to see. Well, and I confess, I am so really fan of .NET and Blazor assembly. Uh, is I design software in this kind of environment, and I really have to say, um, once I create the solution and deploy that solution, I don't have to change anything. You know, I can receive any require from the client to say, "Hey, do you know I have a problem with the solution because I don't know, it doesn't work anymore, or have a problem with this, or sometimes work this and sometimes don't work. It doesn't work." No. Once I designed the solution and I tested and deployed that solution, I don't need to look back uh, if something is broken. I think what's the best of when you are working with .NET Core and Blazor assembly, and everything is C sharp. It's over C sharp. That is really great. Uh, ¿Qué dices, Carlos? Más o menos por ahí va la cosa. ¿Qué opinas? Todo vale.
Oh yeah, sure. MedTech, yeah, sure. Look at this. Let me show you. I wanted to show you something. Look at this in my channel. I have done one project where I designed MVC solution. Okay, .NET MVC. I put in there web API and design a software in Windows Form that connect with the MVC, and I designed a little app for Android that can connect to the MVC project. Uh, let me see. Let me see if I found this. This is my YouTube channel, uh, and I designed it in .NET MAUI, and that was awesome, man. The, the integration where you can uh, where you can create within eh, everything. That's was so amazing. Let me see, just a moment here. My channel, videos. Okay, let me see. I have here. Okay, let me see. Mm, Just a moment. Let's go to see. Oh, look at this. This is .NET Core MVC working with JSON Web Token and Windows Presentation Foundation. That is a solution for Windows Desktop. Um, more, I don't know. Windows Presentation Foundation is something uh, that allow you work more beautiful views. That's a uh, I prefer work with Windows Form because Windows Form allow you to work more deeply inside Windows. So for example, AP32 and reach all the security system of the Windows desktop. You know, uh, that is the difference between Windows Presentation Foundation and Windows Form. Um, Let me see. Net Maui. Oh, look at this. Okay, this.
Hello, everybody.
This is a video. It's in English. You can check it out. And this is a little solution. Look at this. I designed software in .NET Maui, this app to Android, and this app uh, create a connection between the cell phone with the MikroTik servers and can create users, can create plans, can could could the access from to the internet for the users. Um, all designed in NetMode. Something small, nothing bigger, but already I already have a project with and I deploy it in Google and Google um, the store was was cool. You see it? Let me show you something else. Yeah, yeah, sure. I have a lot of stuff of coding in my channel. Um, Let me see if I have something else or something else. Um, well, how you can see, I love play Warzone. You know, Okay, let me see. Deploy. Oh, look at this. In Google Play, I deployed the solution on Google Play, and I created over here a little video about how to deploy the app in Google Play. Look at this. Is a totally this is the solution where I was where I am talking about it. The .NET Core MVC with Net MAUI Android. I don't. I tested the app in iOS, you know, but deploy that solution in iOS is a headache. Hate. I hate iOS. Apple is a big problem when do you want to deploy something to the store, um, and when do you want to create a package of that app? It's a big problem. I don't know. It's so really complicated. Look at this. This is the MVC, the project MVC. Uh, it's still running in this moment. It's still running on the web. And look at this. You see, that's really cool. In that moment, I designed that software, that app. I designed it using the structure where I use it in summary. But the best way to work in Maui is working with the app shell, because it's the best way to can uh, have the totally control over the routes, um, and can navigate between all the pages, mm, working with the app shell. And the other best way to working with app shell is because you can inject. It's like working with .NET Core because you can inject classes inside all the classes. No, so working with app shell. Well, that's my channel. Okay, let's go to continue with this because I need to finish this. Services. So, okay. Well, I have to go. Time to lunch. See you around. Nos vemos, Carlos.
Listo.